Hi everyone, today Bryson will be showing you a new effect in Adobe After Effects.
Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Bryson, also known as Bryson on both Instagram and on YouTube, and today we're going to be doing a Saber clone effects as you guys saw at the preview, and we're just going to get straight into it. So first you're going to have your copy of a clip that you're going to want to use. You can use anything. I'm just using this plain and simple clip. So first thing we're going to do is Control D, because the duplicated clip is where we're going to be actually doing the mask. You can actually lock the bottom layer, doesn't really matter. Get your pen tool and start masking out your character. I'm gonna go pretty fast. Yeah, I'm not gonna be very precise. I don't want the actual video to be too long for you guys. Oh, and also, if you guys did not catch the previous tutorial, the Saber i1, you guys can check it out. I don't think a lot of you guys saw it as compared to the others, so I'm just gonna link it in the description if you didn't get it. So a lot of people said they didn't see it. Also what I wanted to say, what I also wanted to say is, if you guys do have a tutorial that you guys want me to do, just let me know in the comments so I can do tutorials that you guys would like to see, or if there's something that you guys are struggling with, maybe I can figure it out and it'll help you. Okay, so the mask is done, because if we switch off the bottom layer, the mask is done. Good. So then what we're gonna do is we're first gonna go and get Saber, and then not Saber, my mistake. We're gonna Control D one more time, because the duplicated layer is what's gonna have Saber on it. Sorry, the duplicated layer, my mistake guys, my mistake. And just like in the previous Saber tutorial, we're gonna go to Customize Core, we're gonna go to Saber, click Layer Mask, and I'm just gonna leave the preset as is. I'm not gonna change it because I kind of like how it suits the scene that we're going with. So on the layer with Saber, you're gonna click it, right click, blending mode, and press add. So we already have our first clone that's going to be in the middle. So what we need to now do is we need to duplicate this 2 more times, because we need one clone on the right and one clone on the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to press Control, we're going to press Shift, and we're going to click on both layers. So we're going to press Control D, and we're going to change these here so we don't get confused. I'm going to change the colors to orange. So yeah, we have 2 layers of orange. I'm just going to bring it up a bit. With these 2 still highlighted, we're going to press Control D one more time, and now we're going to change these to purple. There we go. This just helps us with which clones we're working with. As you can see, it's getting brighter and brighter because all the clones are on top of each other. Alright, so with the first clone, we're going to change the 1 to purple so we can tell the difference. The purple layer will be purple, just to coordinate with colors, and the orange layer will have an orange. We'll have an orange one. There we go, and that should be good. All I'm going to be doing is, for the sake of color coordination, I'm going to take these 2 layers, I'm just going to bring them on top for the sake of color coordination. You can lock these 2 layers, because we're not going to be using them. From now on, we're only working with the orange and the purple. Okay, so when it comes to orange and the purple, you can actually, orange and purple. When it comes to the last 2 layers, both keyframes that we're going to be using are going to be the same. So you can press on the purple layer, actually both, you can press Shift and click both. You're going to press P on your keyboard, keyframe the beginning, and then we're going to come towards the end. We're going to move the purple, let's just say to the right. Sorry, to the left. Can't tell the difference. And there we go. So that's the first clone. Yeah, this seems about right. And we're gonna bring this forward, and then we're just gonna highlight these keyframes, and we'll change them to easy ease. You guys can work on your graph editor how you want to. when I was doing the effect, I actually liked how it was as is. Then we're gonna do the same for the orange. Press shift, select both of the orange layers. Gonna press P on your keyboard, go to beginning, press start the keyframes. Then we're just gonna move the orange to the right. Laptop's freezing a bit. Okay, sorts it out. Ooh, I don't know why I did that. Anyway, back in business. And we're gonna move this to the right, like somewhere around. Actually, no, just a little more. Yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, that's actually quite good. Okay, and then just like before, we're gonna highlight, press F9, and that's it, guys. Now we have our Saber clones, and if you did this correctly, you should have something like this. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did end up enjoying today's video, like the video, comment down something that you want me to do. Maybe you guys want me to do a specific tutorial. Tell me in the comments below, and I'll see if I can do it, and I'll do a video on it. What I was thinking of doing is now from now on, maybe 1 week I do a tutorial, 1 week I do an AMV. What you guys thoughts on that? Should I do 1 week tutorial, 1 week AMV, or just post as I go on? You guys let me know. But for now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that from now on. 1 week tutorial, 1 week AMV, and I'll alternate in between. So yeah, playlist for all my tutorials will be in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
If you guys liked today's video, hit the like button and hit subscribe for more videos like this.